Dear students, good morning, namaste. This is CS and we are on online classes. We successfully completed the 10.3 exercise. It is a common to all the three sections. Now I want to go to the, before that exercise 10.2 is there. For I think B section is only completed. Again you watch it. C and A you have to watch this one. Okay na? In this exercise 10.2, 1 to 8 problems. From to 1 to 8 problems, we have to find the equations of line. Which the data is given. Only 4 problems I wrote. Again I will write it on the board. You observe. See the solution. We are asked to find the equations of x and y axis. X and y axis. You see that? It is horizon, x-axis and y-axis. You take any point. It is 1, 0 na, 2, 0 na, 3, 0 na, dash, 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 10, 0 na. Like that is going on. The minus 1, 0 na. So any point on the straight on the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So we may write it as equation to x-axis is y is equal to 0. Okay na? What is the reason? Is any point on x-axis, the set of points is x-axis. Each and every point is having y coordinate is 0. So y is 0. So that is the equation to x-axis. Similarly, equation to y-axis is, we know it, x is equal to 0. Any point on this y-axis is 0, 1, 0, 2, like that is going on, 0, 10, like that one. Not only negative values also are there. So x is equal to 0. X coordinate is 0 means it is y-axis. Okay na? That is the reason. Next, number 2. Passing through minus 4, 3 and with the slope 1 by 2. You see, it is a point slope form. You see, second one. Equation 2, any line that passing through we assume it is a minus 4, 3. That is a x1, y1. And slope m. What is m? Is 1 by 2. Point slope form is, that equation is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus 3 is equal to m is 1 by 2. X minus of minus 4. Here the thing is, you have to remember, point x1, y1, which is x1, which is y1, and the slope m, what is m, is given is 1 by 2. We substitute in this one. Just you remember that one, which model, which formation of line is used in this problem. Point and slope is given. So point slope form is this one. Now it is 1 by 2 of x plus 4 y minus 6. It is 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4 2 into y 2y minus 2 into 3 minus 6. It is 2y minus x minus 6 minus 4 is equal to 0 na. Plus 4 comes to this side, minus 4 minus x. This is 2y minus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Or otherwise, it is okay. This is the equation to the straight line, required line. But it is not in order. If you write, you stop there also, okay, it is correct. If you want to write clearly, minus x will become as plus x. Plus 2y become as minus 2y. Minus 10, it is plus 10. I am writing in some order. You have to, if you write this one, the impression is good. Or otherwise, you stop there on. Okay? It is left to you. Next, You see, third one. Passing through the point with slope m. Same then. Here a point is 0, 0, na, this is x1, y1. And the slope m is equal to m only. It is only slope. I will write it as a slope only. Slope is equal to m. Then m is equal to 1 by 2 in the second problem. It is simply m is given. So it is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus 0. It is m of x minus 0. Y is equal to mx. Okay, na? Or mx minus y is equal to 0 also. This is equation to required line. Okay, na? Like that. I have to put. Next, fourth one. The fourth one is also same. The given point is 2, 2 root 3 and inclined with observe. Observe. The fourth one, not clearly given. The line is passing through 2, 2 root 3 and inclined, that line inclines with x-axis at an angle 75 degrees. That is important. 75 degrees. You see, first we find the slope of required line is tan theta, m is equal to tan theta. It is tan 75 degrees. Suppose it is x-axis, y-axis. The line is like this. It is theta is equal to 75 degrees. And it is passing through a point 2, 2 root 3. That is the diagram. It is x-axis. Okay, na? Like this. So first we have to find the slope of that line. Slope is defined as tan theta. M is notation is equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle made by the line with the x-axis. It is the angle inclined with the x-axis by the line. That is given. Tan 75. That is tan 75 means it is tan of 45 plus 30. Will you agree? Okay, now it is tan 45 plus tan 30 by 1 minus tan 45 tan 30. It is 1 plus tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1. 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3. Making LCM, the root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. A simple simplification. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 cancels, we get this one. And it is root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 root 3 plus 1. What I am doing here, in order to make the denominator, here the denominator is irrational, root 3 is irrational. The denominator, we have to maintain the denominator as not 0, not irrational. So in order to make it as rational, rationalizing factor. Okay, na? I am clearing this one here. You see, the m is equal to, okay, na? Continuation, the slope m is equal to, it is root 3 plus 1 whole square by a minus b into a plus b. It is a square minus 1 square. Will you agree? A plus b whole square. It is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Yes, okay. A plus b whole square means root 3 square a square plus b square plus 2ab square. It is root 2 square cancels, so we get 3 minus 1 square is 1. Here also it is 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 2 is there. Here also it is 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. 3 plus 1, 4 only. Not 3 plus 1 plus 2. That is wrong. 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 root 3 is separate one. Again you take 2 as common, it's 2 plus root 3 by 2. 2 cancels, we get 2 plus root 3. This is a slope m. Okay now? You may get some doubts. Sir, directly the tan 75 value is there. Tan 15 is 2 minus root 3. Tan 75 is 2 plus root 3 is already there. Similarly, sin 15, cos 15, sin 75, cos 75, tan 15, tan 75, like that, okay. But here the thing is, if you solve like that, the impression is good. Okay, na? Whenever this question is asked in the exam, at that time you do like this one. If it is very difficult to you at that time, okay, directly you substitute that value. Nothing will be happening. Now, equation 2, required line, R line. I am writing always R line, means required line. Is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus y1, you see that this is y1. It is x1 y1 na, in this problem. Okay na? Passing through a point, given point. Given point is 2 comma 2 root 3. So this is 2 root 3. It is m is 2 plus root 3 of x minus 2. Okay na? Better to stop there only, or otherwise it is y minus 2 root 3. Okay na? It is minus of 2 plus root 3 x. It is minus plus 2 of 2 plus root 3 is equal to 0 at 1. Y minus 2 root 3, it is 2 plus root 3 x plus 4 plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. 2 into 2, 4, 2 root 3 cancel. There it is 2 plus root 3 x minus y, okay na? Minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation to the line. The last moment, I am interchanging the sign. It is minus something, is plus something x. Plus y minus y, plus 4 minus 1. So this is the equation of line. Okay, Nana? Like that we have to prove the problems. Now, just I will read out the problem, and you open your textbooks and see that problem in your textbooks. Please observe like that one. So 4 problems is over. Next, 5th one. Intersecting the x-axis at the distance 3 units to the left of the horizon with the slope minus 2. A good concept. You slowly you read out. You see the equation of line. In the very beginning, 1 to 8 problems, we have to find the equation of line. That line is intersecting x-axis left side to the horizon. Left side to the horizon at a distance 3 units. Okay na? Similarly, the 6th problem also it is there. It is about 2 units from horizon on y-axis. You solve it. I will solve the 5th problem. Okay, now the slope is also is given. 3 units and the slope is minus 2. Slope is minus 2. Yes. Fifth one I am solving. You see, it is horizon, it is a plus x-axis, it is a minus x-axis. Okay, na? 3 units left side to the horizon. So A is minus 3 comma 0. It is a point. Okay, na? It is 3 units distance left to the horizon. Okay, na? A line is like this. It is passing through the, it intersects the x-axis at a point capital A which is left side to the horizon and at a distance 3 units. It is 3 units. But I am writing here minus 3 because it is left side to the horizon. Left side to the horizon means we are in front of the diagram. Horizon is there. What is the left side? For our sake we are taking. Okay, na? For in front of horizon, if you we have the left side is a point, that is minus 3 comma 0. It is in the negative side. And its slope is m is equal to minus 1 by 2 na? I think just wait. Minus 1 by 2 or 1 by 2? It is minus 2. I'm sorry. It is only minus 2. Okay na? Yeah. Here also, you see, by the problem, what is given? Required line intersects x-axis left to horizon. Okay na? Left to horizon at 3 units. That implies A is equal to minus 3 comma 0. Okay, na? Is a point on the line. Is a point on the required line. Okay, na? Now, equation 2, required line is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus 0, this is x1, y1. It is x1, y1. M is already given, minus 2 of x minus of minus. So, y is equal to minus 2 of x plus 3. It is minus 2x minus 6. So, 2x comes to this side. It is 2x, okay, na? Plus y, okay, na? Plus 6 is equal to 0. Is the required, okay, na? It is the equation to the required line that intersects the x-axis at a distance 3 units from the left side of the horizon and having with slope minus 2. That is the thing. Similarly, the sixth problem also. You try to solve it. Now, we'll go to the next. Okay, the sixth problem, you solve it. Next, I am going to the seventh one. Passing through the points minus 1 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 4. Minus 1 comma 1, 2 comma minus 4. 2 points are there. The seventh one. 6 is homework to try to solve it. Given points. What are the given points? Are capital A minus 1 comma 1 and B is what is the B point? B point is 2 comma minus 4. It is 2 comma minus 4. It is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. 2 points are there. That means a line is passing through 2 points. Then what is the equation in a 2-point form? You see that? Now, equation 2, required line is x minus x1 by x1 minus x2, y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. It is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. X minus of minus 1 by minus 1 minus 2. Y minus 1 by 1 minus of minus 4. Okay, na? X minus x1. x1 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 x2. y minus y1 is 1. 1 minus of minus 1. It is x plus 1 by minus 3. Y minus 1 by, you see, 1 plus 4, it is 5. 1 minus minus plus 4. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So it is 5 of x plus 1 minus 3 of y minus 1. It is 5x plus 5 is equal to minus 3y plus 3. It is 5x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. 5 minus 3. Minus 3y comes to 0 plus 3y. This is the required equation. Okay, na? Next. Eighth one. You open the textbook and see there one. Perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units. And the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis is 30 degrees. A very good problem. 5 units, 30 degrees. It's a fantastic problem. Observe it. It is the eighth one. This x-axis, y-axis is the origin. A line is like this. From origin to the line, say it is some a point. This is the length of perpendicular drawn from origin to the line. 5 units is given. It is a perpendicular form or a normal form, the very last but one formation. Slope intercept form, point slope form, 2 point form, intercept form, normal form, fifth one, the general form is the last. The length of perpendicular drawn from origin to the given line is P. That is 5 units. And that normal, that perpendicular makes 30 degrees with a positive x-axis. This is a positive x-axis. Okay, now? Here, you see, here, by given, what is given? Length of perpendicular from origin to the required line is P is equal to 5 units. Okay, now? And alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, Nana? And alpha means this is alpha. This is alpha. Equation 2, required line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. It is x 30 degrees, y sin 30 degrees is equal to 5. Alpha is 30 degrees, Nana. P is 5. It is x into root 3 by 2 plus y into 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, na? Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2. This is root 3x plus y is equal to 10. Is the required equation of a line. LCM is 2. If it goes to that side, 5 into 2, 10. It is root 3x plus y into 1 y. Okay, na? That is the solution of 8th problem. First 1 to 8 problems is over. Now, yeah, Nana. 9th one. The vertices of triangle PQR are P is given 2 comma 1, Q is minus 2 comma 3, and capital R is 4 comma 5. Find the equation of median through the vertex capital R. Okay, na? We are given 3 vertices and we have to find the equation of median. Okay, na? 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5. So say A triangle is there. It is a triangle. It is P and the 2 it is R. I think it is 4 comma 5 and P is 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma 3. It is 2 comma 1. Okay, now you see, whenever if I ask you to draw the diagram, a diagram is necessary to draw the solution. At the time, the triangle must be scalar. No side is equal to other side. Don't write the equivalent triangle. Here, D is the midpoint, you assume. PD, or you assume it is S. S is the midpoint. Let S be midpoint of QR. So S is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, minus 2 plus 4 by 2, 3 plus 5 by 2. It is 2 by 2, it is 8 by 2. So 1 comma 4 is yes. So it is 1 comma 4 is the midpoint of the side QR. It is needed, it is not asked. We have to find the equation of median. Median is the line joining the vertex and the midpoint of opposite side, P and. And also we are asked to find the median through the point P. So here it is x1, y1, now it is x2, y2. Here this is a different one, don't confuse. It is up to only midpoint. Now I am taking here equation 2, median PS. It is median PS. Is passing through 2 points. Okay, now y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. Okay, here is a different one. Here x1, x2 is, I am taking this one. That is over. After finding S, P and S are x1, y1, x2, y2. Don't confuse. Here it is x minus, what is x1? 2. 2 minus x2 is 1. Y minus 1 by 1 minus 4. X minus 2 by 1, y minus 1 by minus 3. Okay, now? Minus 3x plus 6 is equal to y minus 1. It is 3x plus y minus 1 minus 6 is equal to 0. 3x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Is the required equation of the median. Okay, now? That is the 9th problem. Okay? We'll go to 10th problem. Is that time? Okay. Slowly solve the first 1 to 8 problems are finding the equation of straight line only. But the 9th problem is a different one. We have to find the equation of median. You draw the diagram, PQR, the given vertices are there. You find the midpoint of RS, QR, say it is S. After finding S, you find again by using the 2-point form. Yes, that is the equation. Okay, Nana? Suppose this median is asked through the point Q, then you find the midpoint of P and R, like that. Okay, now? Similarly, if you find a median through the R means, it is meeting the midpoint here, PQ. What is the midpoint of PQ? Find.